Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Many video editors want a premium software to edit their videos, but they do not want to spend money on it. So friends, in this video, I will show you a software called Davinci Resolve. It is a professional video editing software. I'm going to show you how to download Davinci Resolve 20 for free. Before we start the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. So let us get started. First of all, open your browser. Here, search for Davinci Resolve. Then go to the first website, Blackmagic Design. It is their official website. Now scroll down and click on the Free Download Now option. Here you will see all versions of Davinci Resolve. They have both normal and studio versions. The studio version is for paid users, but the normal version is completely free of cost. You can use all the basic features of this software for free. On the left side, all the software is for free users, and on the right side, all the software is studio version for paid users. Since we want to download Davinci Resolve 20 free version, you will find it on the left side. Below that, you will see system options. Choose your computer operating system. As I have a Windows system, I will choose Windows. Now fill in your personal details. After filling in all the information, click on Register and Download. Now wait until the download is complete. It may take some time depending on your internet speed. As you can see, the download is completed. Now minimize the browser and open your File Explorer. Go to the Downloads folder. Here you will find your downloaded zip file. Right-click on it and click on Extract All. Then click on Extract. Wait a few seconds to complete the extraction process. After extracting the zip file, you will see a new folder with the same name. Open it. Inside, you will find the main exe file. Click on it to install Davinci Resolve. Here you will see a pop-up. Check all the components because they are required for Davinci Resolve 20. Then click on Install. Wait a few seconds and click on Next. Then scroll down. Check the option I accept the terms in the license agreement and click on Next. Click on Next again. Now the installation process is complete. Next, you need to set up the application. From the top right corner, choose your language and click on Continue. You can complete the setup or skip it. I will set it up according to my needs. My setup is complete. Now I will reopen the software. Click on Allow. That is it. So friends, this is how you can easily download and install Davinci Resolve 20 for free. If you found this helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.